October 23rd, live day trading, scan, survey, submit. Every day I'm looking at the stock market, seeing what's going on. I'm checking my scanners right now. I have nine stocks showing up on the scanners. 10 just showed up. I'm looking for volume and volatility. I can only trade the stocks that show up on my scanners. I have to have that consistency of only trading what shows up. The whole purpose of this is to gather the statistics, make as many trades as possible, and to gather statistics on those trades. Keep it as simple as that. Scanning through right now, so I don't place any trades till 9:35. Got a lot of stocks that are popping up on the scanner. A lot of volume, a lot of volatility. I have about 13 stocks so far. So we're going to go through and see what pops up and where I can place trades. All right, 9:35. This is the most stocks that have actually popped up on my scanner, I think, for the whole month. 24 stocks. So I'm going to sort through them, order of importance. The first thing I'm looking at is going to definitely be the volume. I want to trade stocks with volume. Okay, so this is going to be my first buy order that I'm going to place it right in here, and the stop on that is going to be 54. Let's see if that hits. See what else we have. MU. Never made a clean break. Actually, we're going to go to, let's see, 22 cents. Scan through, see what else we have. There's nothing there. Ooh, this is really interesting. All right, so I'm actually going to place a sell order here. And the stop is going to be 8 cents. So it says shares 8, but that translates in my algos when I'm running it as a stop is 8. So I'm just placing all these. It's pretty interesting right there. Roku looks kind of stuck. Place another sell order here. Make that 18 cents. See what else we have. That's pretty interesting. Just scanning the market. Trying to use what technical analysis skills that I have to try to look for buy and sell points and just place the orders. I have to place as many as I possibly can. I'm not really concerned with winning trades right now. This is all paper trading. This is simply so I can see what trades I can place in real time. This is going to be several months of research, and then looking at any viable edge for these trades. Right now, I'm just getting rid of stocks that don't have quite as much volume. Okay, let's see what's going on here. It's made an interesting run down. That's really the volume bar right there. Continue to scan through and see what we have here. truncate some of these volumes. The volume is so heavy, it's hard to see kind of how the other volume comes into play. Let's get rid of this. Spreads are too wide on that one. Let's get rid of that. Really want to stay focused on these top stocks up here. See if that one comes back up. $200, $300, $400. Actually like this at the 30 level. Take a 61-cent stop if it hits it. $31. So from there, 62. See what happens there. So volume 500. That definitely looks like a descending wedge pattern right there. I was going to place a sell order, but I think it might have already gone through. See what happens. This looks like another descending wedge. I place all my stops right now at just 25% of whatever the daily range is. So I just look for an entry spot, and I just make it real simple, 25% of the range. See what this is. Actually, I gotta untruncate this. Okay, that is the main bar right here. This open definitely looks like the area though. So 33, that'd be, I'm gonna go ahead and put a buy order there. And the stop's going to be 66. The reason I'm placing trades like this is so I can collect the data. I want to place as many trades as I possibly can, tag these trades as what kind of trade it is, and then collect the data and see what the statistics are. I go for a simple 1-to-1. Risk to reward, just something so I can enter it into the system. This I'm going to get rid of. It hasn't really done anything. That still looks interesting. This, the main volume is definitely to the down right here. What's the height of that? The range is 6 cents on that. 3. Yeah, I can't really get on that one. That one doesn't really look like it knows what it wants to do. Keep scanning through. I'm looking at the 5-minute for any possible like little flag patterns. All right, something tagged me, and let's see what this is right here. 62 would be 93 would be my stop. Submit. And then 60, that would be 71, 69. All right, we'll see what happens, which way it's going to go. Let's see what else we got. Doesn't look like it's going to come back down. Okay, so now if this comes back down, I'm going to cancel this. It's too much. This I don't really know what to do with unless it spikes around the high of day with volume. I'm just going to place a, actually before I do that, let me clear out. Okay. Create price alert, okay. Continue scanning, see what else we have here. Never quite hit. That to me looks like it's going to be down. All that volume pushed it down, but it wasn't really able to keep on going down. Look at that, it's just continuing to tank. I was noticing this descending wedge right here too. But I missed the opportunity to get in there. The idea is that once you take a trade, you can look back at it and know exactly why you took the trade. Shouldn't be much guessing. Okay, so this is stuck. 6 cents, 11. I'm going to go ahead and do 11, 22. Oh crap, got in. Ah, that sucks. I didn't look at price. I got in a really, really shitty spot. Sometimes that happens. Thought I was getting in up here, and it dropped down, so whatever, it is what it is. So I'm going to set my stop at 54. 22 would be 10. There we go. Yeah, 32. 54, 30, 10. Okay, so we'll see what happens with that. Okay, I don't really know what to do with mu. That one never hit. This one I don't know either because of the way it spiking up there. The main volume is right here on this candle and it's not able to really go, so I can't really do much with that. This is interesting right here. Don't really know what to do with it. Okay, this order I'm going to cancel because even if it comes back up, I think it's gone too far. I'm actually going to place a buy order right there at 48. See what else we have here. Oh man, what a shitty entry. Oh well. Sometimes that happens. Scan through, see if I see anything else I like. Actually, I'm going to place a buy order here. Oops. Yeah, buy. Right there. 14. See if it hits. Yeah, it's just too far down. I can't do that one. Mu. See what happens when it hits up that area. See if it looks like it's going to reject. Let's go ahead and cancel this order. I came close to hitting me, but it didn't. We'll see what happens. Oh wow, that Roku kind of surprised me a little bit. It's kind of a base reversal though, so it's interesting. That one missed me right there. Let me go to Mew. See what's going on here. See how price reacts around this. I see some kind of rejection right there. That might be an interesting place to go short. Not seeing much as of yet. This is actually looks like a pretty good place to go short right in here. It's got previous day resistance. It's right around the 9 EMA. I don't really know what to do with this one as of yet. Okay. Just not seeing any buyers wanting to step in there. That would have been interesting. So this, I'm no longer want to buy that because it's kind of gone too far. Never quite hit me on that one. Never quite hit me on that one. That might be on the way to tag me out. There's volume come in right there. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Yeah, really wasn't able to break up. Man, that would have been a good. I saw that descending wedge pattern too. Right there, I would have got in with 28 cents of risk. No, less than that. 50, 75, yeah. 20 or so, 51. Yeah, I would have got would have got it, would have made it. See what else we have here going on. This I'm gonna cancel because now if it comes down and hits, I don't think it's gonna be good. This actually looks interesting right here. Now that's kind of broken up. Yeah, I'm actually gonna place a buy right down here. I like this area a lot. It's going to be a 42 cents. Cool. There's volume right here, pushed down, but then it pushed up past it. So now it's around VWAP. I like this level a lot. I like this level. And it's got, quite a ways before it actually hits a previous day's level. So we'll see if that ends up hitting. This, I want to see what happens right when it gets around up into here. So I'm going to go ahead and set a price alert. Mu is coming back down. I thought it would, but how far? That's the question. Didn't really kind of go up high enough. 92. Yeah, I'm glad I got rid of that. That looks like it might work its way to tag me out. Yeah, I like this on CSV. We'll see what happens. Wish I would have gotten a better feel on that one. All right, pause it and we'll come back. All right, this STX, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and place a sell order here. Actually, on this one, I'm just going to do it at 66. Let's see. Holy crap, look at that. As soon as I placed the order, it jumped up. And so that would be 34. I saw it come up and it was just really getting stuck right in here. That's why I thought it might be a good place to go short. Just looks like there's not any other buyers stepping in. We'll see what happens. I got tagged out on the TXN trade, so it ended up coming up and hitting me in, or tagging me out. So see what else happens. If I get a lot of volume up in here, it might be a good place to short. Those going. Why is this buy here? What's going on with this chart? Everything's gone from right here. What is going on? What just tagged me in? Oh, this one. Okay. Yeah, that was weird. It like disappeared for a second. So let me go ahead and okay, 14. I got it in 80, so that's going to be 66. And then we're going to go to 94. It's really strong volume onto the upside right there. Like this candle. Expect some kind of bounce, but we'll see what happens. Again, it's all about just gathering statistics, understanding what works, what doesn't. The whole idea is to get at least 100 of these trades that I take with this specific setup. And then I can look through them and see kind of which ones worked, which ones didn't, why they might have worked, what other criteria might be contributing to the profitability of these types of trades. Oh, wow, big volume came up towards the bottom there. This is interesting. Actually, if it comes up into that point, I like that. Gonna sell right here. Let's see what happens. Previous area, consolidation, VWAP. Yeah, I like that area right there. Let's see what else we got. Let's see where my active orders are at. I don't know why that keeps skipping. That's kind of crappy right there. Oh man, what is going on? Got to restart the charts. See if that helps. There we go. Oh look, that should have tagged me out, but it didn't. So annoying when the charts have issues. Yeah, it was definitely more of a descending pattern, so that type of pattern may negate this, what is happening over here. I don't know why that's not closing me out here. Let's see. This should have been gone. Yeah, charts are messing up today. Joy. Okay, this I'm not digging. I'm going to cancel this order. Not seeing a lot of strength left in it. I'll just keep that as a marker. Yeah, it's still, look at it, it's just not working, canceling, submitting, like it's just, I don't know what's going on with these charts today. That comes up. All right, I'm going to keep scanning. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and call it for today. For some reason, the charts, they're just not working. The orders aren't going through. Not sure really what's going on. So I'm just going to have to wait till the end of the day, kind of see how everything played out. Like this has been on canceling and submitting for, quite a while now. So I'm just going to call it. I'll have to manually update this and kind of see what everything did.